In this video, I'll show you how to fix the camera not working on your Acer laptop. First, open the Settings app on your Acer laptop. From the left-hand menu, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Now, scroll down and select Cameras. Here, you should see your laptop's camera listed. If the camera is disabled, click Enable to turn it back on. If your camera's already enabled but still isn't working, go back to the main settings page and select Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the App Permissions section and click on Camera. Make sure camera access is turned on. If the issue still isn't fixed, right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Cameras section. Right-click your camera device. If you see an Enable Device option, click it. If the camera still doesn't work, right-click the camera device again and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall when prompted. After that, restart your Acer laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the camera driver during startup. Once your laptop restarts, check the camera app again to see if the issue has been resolved. That's it. This is how you can fix a camera that suddenly stops working on an Acer laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.